Okay guys, we are here with Allie and we're going to do 3 easy back to school hairdos. So we're trying to think of ways, things you can do really fast. So I thought it would be cute if we just showed you how to do like 2 really fast double buns. So all we're going to do is we're going to take about this much of her hair and we're going to take a clear elastic and we are going to just wrap it around twice, and then the third time just halfway, and then I'm going to take this hair and I'm going to twist it and wrap it around a few times and then tuck it under. And then I'm just going to kind of poof out this, and then I'm going to take a bobby pin and just bobby pin that down however small or big you want these buns to be. Just your preference.
Big buns.
Big buns. Big buns are the best kind of buns. And then we're going to take the other side. And we're going to take about the same section, but I'm going to leave like her bang piece out. And same thing, I'm just going to take this piece and wrap it around twice. And the third time, just halfway through. And then wrap, kind of twist this, wrap it around, and we're going to tuck that end right under the clear elastic. And just kind of move this out a little, just so the buns are even. And then you can kind of touch it up however you want with a little bobby pin. So, and there you have cute, easy mini buns. And then you can use a little bit of texture spray. I love it. And that's a cute little, fast little half up style. Hairstyle is going to be, we're going to do just a cute little Dutch braid. So we're going to take about this much hair and we're just going to take 3 strands, and the outside ones are going underneath. And we're grabbing a little hair as we go. And just keep adding hair until you get to her ear on each side. And then we're just going to braid all the way down. Okay, so then we're just going to piece it out a little. If you want, you could leave it tight, or you could make it a little bit piecier. And then that's it.
Cute.
That's so cute.
I really like that.
you the third hairstyle. And we're just gonna do a half up again. We're gonna take a little piece in the front and we're just gonna take it in 3 sections. And we're gonna do a Dutch braid again, but we're gonna go back this time. And we're just going to take sections as we go back. And she has extensions, so we're just gonna hide them as we go. And we're just gonna keep going back and keep adding hair until we get to about her ear. And then we'll stop adding hair. And then if you want, you could keep doing a Dutch, or you could turn it into a fishtail. And so I'm just gonna take it into 2 sections now, and I just merged the sections together. And I'm going to just take it in 2 sections and take a piece from this side and bring it under to this side. And same thing, just keep doing the same thing. Just taking a piece and adding it to the other side. So we're just keeping that fishtail going all the way to the bottom. And then I'm just going to take the outside and pull it out a little bit. And then we're just going to barely take that end piece and just fan it out. And if you want it to be a little fatter, you can make it even fatter. But then I'm going to take this rubber band, and then I'm just going to wrap it around and not pull the last one through. And then we're going to go to the other side and do the same thing. And we're just going to take a section about this big and go back. Again, I'm just taking 3 pieces and doing reverse Dutch braid and adding hair as I go. And then once I get to this point, I just make it into 2 pieces instead of 3, and I just start fishtailing. So I'm going to take the section from the outside and bring it under to the other side. So I take the section from the outside and bring it under to the other side and just keep going. So it makes it look like a fishtail. It's hard to make braids too look cute from the front. And like these look cute from the front and the back. And then just keep going to about here. And we're gonna pull the sides out. You're gonna almost like pull it extra towards the bottom, because once you get towards the top, it's gonna like end up not being as much towards the bottom, almost like a shoelace. we're just gonna keep take this and pull it halfway through. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this volumizer spray and I'm just gonna barely just spray it on her braids to make them have texture. And there you have the double Dutch braid. Okay guys, that's a wrap for the 3 quick, easy back-to-school hairstyles. Thank you so much, Allie, for joining us.
Thank you.
And don't forget to subscribe and also turn on notifications. See you next time.
Sharing your love with me will be